Hey guys, I'm not in the best mood today. I'm tired. You know when you're really close on a project and you run into like the littlest thing and you just want to like throw everything out the window and just be done? I feel like that. I'm realizing how much work I have to do in a couple weeks. One thing I need to explain. I came up with this today during work. So this has the issue, right? Well, what I'm thinking of doing, for right now, I don't have time to deal with this. Like, I really don't. And especially figuring out how to wire up the MR2 power steering pump and everything to go electric. I think I'm gonna go kind of ghetto right now, and I realize this isn't a good idea, but it should be okay. I'm going to improperly depower this power rack. So basically just, especially since this is hitting, I'll just take it off, plug that hole, obviously over here plug that, and then plug these two as well. So in the end, I don't have power steering right now, but it's not like the proper way to depower this rack, which is to take it all apart and then cut the main seal off, and then you have a properly depowered rack, which is great, but I definitely want power steering eventually. White. I get it. Let's move on.
Still nothing new to fight, there's nothing new to hide, so baby breathe. Baby breathe.
Okay, so steering rack is finally in, completely, and then we got the tie rods on and wheels. So I'm ready to drop it back down. I'm gonna pull it forward a little bit and actually get the engine set up to pull. And thankfully, I'm not doing this by myself anymore because I have a cute little helper over there who is completely out of view. Anyway, she brings Starbucks and it's pretty great. So I realize she's never done this before, but it's kind of like a teaching process and I kind of like doing that anyway. So, yeah, gotta get this all set up.
The lights get low and I'm falling on my own. Space and time, in the days go deep, on and on, it goes on.
So Haley,
okay.
How was your first time putting an engine in?
At a horrendous angle. I look terrible.
Engine.
Oh
Talk about the engine. Car.
Oh, it was fine. You know.
The lights get low and I'm falling on my own. Space and time, in the days go deep, on and on, it goes on. Space and time, and I'm always doing the same thing.
Hello everyone of the interwebs. Looks really good. Yeah, I'm happy. I've been waiting for this to go in for a while, and I'm sure you have too, because, you know, 14 roll cage videos and nothing about actual rotary stuff. So rotary engines do exist in this vehicle. Right there. Right there. Okay, so the car is a 1987, so it's an S4. The engine is kind of a 1989 engine, so it's the S5 engine, which has 9-to-1 compression, so it's a little bit higher than the S4s. So the S5 irons are the heavy duty ones. The engine I bought did not have S5 irons, and so I blew one in half, and that's a whole nother story that I'll tell you later. Anyway, so it's a full Bridgeport, ceramic apex seals, and then like full eccentric shaft is plugged in one so that oil gets to everything. All of the pellets, the wax pellets, those are all deleted. 110 psi of oil pressure generally, and it goes back down to like around 80 at idle or so when it's warmed up. I don't know, just the engine itself, like we did a lot of work on it. We poured it and polished everything, so it all has really good flow. You can kind of tell if you look in there. You can see, well, I don't know if you can really see that. Let's see if I can get you a better. Spent a lot of time just kind of making everything nice. So that's a little breakdown on the engine. I can go more in depth eventually at some point. Okay, bye.